Morning, YouTube, friends and family. Hey, welcome to Wednesday. I'm going to work today. Can you believe it? Heading back to Hallowell to do some trim on a dormer made out of plastic. I hope that wherever you are, you're having a great week so far. I know for some of you in the other, hemisphere, it's fall and you're approaching winter. So I hope that you're looking forward to that wherever you are. And hey, I'll see you on the road. Gosh darn it, I forgot my chop saw. Ah! My task for today, hey Cooper, is to install new trim, new casing around both of these window units and install a bottom trim or like a skirt along the bottom of all of this vinyl siding. So the material that's here now is just like a compressed paperboard. And it was never really meant to last. So I'm gonna replace it with a PVC, which will be, pretty much permanent. I say it'll be permanent, but plastic will last like for thousands of years in the ground and not break down. The only thing that really degrades plastic is sunlight, photo degradation. So, these exterior applications of plastic are, I say permanent, but really they're only temporary too. Well, that explains why that failed so quickly. Some hack decided that would be the great cheap material to install for this client. Dang.
I'm an unusual person. In this unfashionable world, I don't need to pluck my eyebrows or have my eyelashes curled. Don't you insult my appearance or give me any lip. Everyone in this world knows that I'm so hip. I'm so hip. Everyone knows it's true.
Where's your stick? Ooh. April showers, man. They forecasted showers all day, and I think it's close to 1:30 now, and it's just starting on me. I ran out of Plood anyway, so I need to get one more piece of Plood. I call it Plood because it's plastic wood. Kind of acts like wood, kind of works like wood, has none of the structural integrity that wood has. It's just like a placeholder. I guess I gotta pack my stuff up here before it gets too wet. It's supposed to set in now.
I'm so hip. Hey, how about you? Look at you.
So out of work. Out of work a little early. I'm gonna go pick up my tire, which just got fixed on the wheel, and get the other three, and get those things on this car, because it just rides so much better with those wheels.
Look at your own reflection in my orange fake Ray-Bans. What do you look like compared to me? I can't say in the presence of a gentleman. Everywhere I go, I turn like a million heads. The bottoms of my Converse shoes are patterned like tank treads. I'm so hip. Everyone knows it's true. I'm so hip. Hey, how about you? I'm hip. I'm so hip. Everyone knows it's true. I'm so hip. Hey, how about you? I'm hipper than Elton John and the Jackson 5 combined. I can make a lot of dough by selling my watermelon rhymes. I could talk in a falsetto and have Justin Bieber hair. Before you know it, people would be acting like that everywhere. I'm so hip.
another sign of spring. The peeping are peepers. They're called spring peepers. They're a kind of tree frog. They're about the size, maybe of my thumbnail, the full-grown adult frog, about the size of my thumbnail, and it makes this amazingly loud noise. That duck-like chuckle, that's the wood frog. Wood frogs are generally the very first frog you'll hear in the spring doing their mating call. Just as soon as there's a little bit of water around the edge of the ice, you'll hear the wood frog. Wood frog peepers. It's springtime, folks. Thanks for coming with me on my day. I hope you had a wonderful, wonderful Wednesday. I'll see you in the morning.